So this was the question, right? And this A and D and A and data we wrote formula, substitution of value A and D. Okay. Now what? See, minus 47, this minus 47 minus 18, how much will get? Minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 of minus 5 by 2. Easiest way I can say to you to do, cross multiplication do, it will be better. See, this 5 will come here, this 2 will come here. If you do cross multiplication, it will be better. Minus 65 cross means 2 will come, divided by minus 5 is equal to n minus 1. Easiest calculation is this. 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 5 threes are. And you can see that we can even cancel this minus and minus. So remaining is what? See, we will get 13 twos are 26 is equal to n minus 1. And finally we will get this 1 here. So we will get n is equal to 26 plus 1, nothing but n is equal to 27. This is the answer. Next one. Renuka? Okay, right, no problem. That's good. You got Shrita. Yogita, right. Vaibhav. Okay, Nikhil. Let us see. I will do Divyarani Varsha. A is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. AN is equal to 111 and N is equal to question mark. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. Okay. So you can do cross multiplication, but I can see here, if I take 3 ones are 3, it will get cancelled. So I will not do anything. It is up to my, focus that what I am seeing. See, this is 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So if you want, you can do. Otherwise, what normally you used to do, you can follow that. So 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9, 3 sevens are. Right? Yes, Srinivas, Diya, Maitri, many students got right. Good. See, check whether 80 is a term. 80 is a term. Yeah, Kishore, many students gave the answer. So this is what the terms are given, 5, 10, 50, 20. It means that in this 80 will come on a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 80 will come on. So whether it will come on, that we should see. So let us do in the same method. A is equal to 5, D is equal to also 5. AN is equal to 80 because we want to find whether it is a term or no. N is equal to, we should find out. So let us see, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. 80 is, AN is 80. The A is 5 plus N minus 1 of 5. So again I can see here 5 will get cancelled here. So 80 is equal to 5 plus 5 into N, 5 and 5 ones are 5. Okay. So this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. N is equal to 80 divided by 5. So cancellation, 5 ones are, 5 ones are and 5 6 are. So we'll get N is equal to 16. As you got N is a whole number, so we can say 80 is a term. If you get something like N is equal to 25 divided by something 3, some number you get which is not perfectly divisible, then you should say that it is not a term. If you get the N is equal to whole number, then you should say it is a term. So therefore 80 is a term of given AP. So 80 is a term of given AP, right? If you get a whole number, it is a term. If you do not get a whole number, then it is not a term. If you get the answer in the form of N is equal to something like 17 by 5, something like it, any number which is not perfectly divisible, and if you divide it you will get the answer in the decimal, then it is not a term. Is it clear? Let's see the next one. I will give the new try. क्या क्या बोले प्रिंसिपल मैडम? बोला नहीं ट्यूशन डेटा में जाता हूँ, क्या बोले?
मान सबसे ज्यादा हमारे स्कूल से डेटा कोई चीज है माने वाले स्टूडेंट्स
सबसे खुश। Yes, Nikhil, right answer. Next one.
हमारे स्कूल से आप बहुत डिस्टेंस में।
Yeah, right answer. So let me complete it. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 of d minus 150 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 of minus 3 minus 150 is equal to 11. Okay, let me transfer the 11 here later. Minus 3n plus 3. So this you can see here, minus 3 into n I did, and then minus into minus plus 3. Then I will do here. Okay, this 11 plus 3 will get 14, minus 150 is equal to 14 minus 3n. So this now I will transfer here. Minus 150 minus 14 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. So let's cancel. N is equal to 164 divided by 3. Both side minus is there, so we'll keep minus. And this. Now it is not perfectly divisible. See, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. And in 3 table 14 will not come. 3 4s are 12 and 2 will remain. So 3 6 are. Something like this will get 54.66. So minus 150 is not a term of given AP. It's not a term of given AP. Correct? तुम्हारे घर से आया क्या देखो? Kishore, right answer. N minus 1 and D is 3. Okay. You try, Rekha, but you try. Okay. Three into n, 3n, 3 ones are 3. This is only for 2 mark, Vaibhav, only 2 mark. Only 2 mark. So 172 by 3. Yeah. So you can, if you 172 by 3, 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are. So 57.3 you get, it is not a term. So what was the question? Minus, oh sorry, 171. Therefore 171 is not a term of given AP. Done. Yeah, if it comes in a decimal, then it's not a term. Let me clear. An AP consists of total 50 terms. 50 terms, of which third term is 12. Third term. So A3 is equal to 12. Correct? Correct? So third term is 12. Understood? Now they gave last term. This is the last term. Last term is 106. Yeah, last term. But do you know how many terms are there? How many terms are there? Total how many terms are there? 50 terms are there, right now. 50 terms are there. 50 terms are there. So last term is nothing but 50 terms. So A50 is equal to 106. Okay, 50 term is 106. We can find out 29th term. A29 is equal to question mark. So to find out the 29th term, you know 29th term nothing but A29 is equal to A plus 28D. Correct now? A plus 28D. So for that to find out this 29 term, you need A and you need D. You can find out A and D by using A3 and A50. By using the linear equation method or substitution method. Let us do it. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D is equal to 12. Any doubt why I wrote A plus 2D? Any doubt? Because here 3 is A, so 3 minus 1, 2 will come. This is very simple, right? A50 is A, so what I should write? Tell me. If A50 is A, then what I should write? A plus 49D is equal to 106, right? So up to here, any doubt? So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. So first equation is A plus 2D is equal to 12. Second equation is A plus 49D is equal to 106. So you need to find out one particular either A or D. So what we will do here, you can see A is same, so we can cancel this, but this is plus, here plus is A, so we'll write minus, here plus is A, so we'll write minus, here plus is A, so we'll write minus. Understood? Now this sign is important, this sign. This is the sign will be considered, this is the sign will be considered. Okay. So you can see that here, here A is A, this is plus A and this is minus A. Correct now? Plus A and minus A. I can cancel this. This is plus A and minus A. Cancel. So this is your plus 2D and minus 49D. We will get minus 47D. This is your plus 2D and this is minus 49D. So plus 2 minus 49 will get minus 47. This is your 12 minus 106. 12 minus 106. So 106 minus 12, you know what we will get? 94. And minus is bigger, so minus 94. Right, everybody? Any doubt in this? You are not learned linear equation, so I just did it very slowly. Correct? Otherwise, we can be little quicker also in this. This is not that tough. Next step. So D is equal to minus 94 divided by minus 47. Cancel this minus 47 ones are 47 twos are. D is equal to 2. Finish. Okay. D we got. Let us find out A now. From what? Any one equation take. First equation or second equation. I will take first equation because the first equation is smaller. We will get the answer easily. A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. A plus 4 is equal to 12. This you take 4 here. You will get A is equal to 8. 12 minus 4, 8. Now you got A also and you got D also. You can find out A29 is equal to A plus 28D. A value is 8. 28 into 2 D value. 8 plus 56. 829 is equal to 64. This is it. So I showed this by using linear equation method. I will show you by substitution method also. It will take time. Keep patience. First. 831 is equal to, find the 31st term, we should find out. 11th term is equal to 38 and 16th term is equal to 73. Same way we should do. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 15D is equal to 73. Whichever method you want, you can do. From 1 and 2. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 15D is equal to 73. Minus, minus, minus. 10 minus 15 minus 5D is equal to 40. 25 minus 25. D is equal to minus 25 by minus 5. Minus, minus cancel. 5 ones are 5 5s. A, we got it. D. Now let us find out A. We know from 1. Why we will take always 1, not compulsory always 1 to take. Whichever small we will take. Easily answer will get. So A plus 10D is equal to 38. We will